Hello and a hearty welcome to AXEL BURKART TV. This is the first time when I represent my video channel to the English-speaking world. And as you may hear, I am a German, and so please apologize my English related to my origin. You will find many videos from me in German language, and now I will also speak to you, my friends, I will speak to you about that what I have to tell. And this is something which goes very, very deep, because this is a spiritual channel. What I will tell you is what I have learned about the truth, about the spiritual world, about that what we are. And if we look today into the world, then we see a big, big crisis. So much fear, so much despair. The people want to save the world, but they don't know how. They see when they try something, it doesn't work. They see so big powers, they see so many lies, fake news and all these things, and war all over the world. Material war. We have, even in America, a big, not only discussion, but it's really starting nearly a new civil war. So what is going on there? This I will tell you about what is behind that and how we can really find a solution. These videos for you should be videos of hope. They should be videos of optimism. Because once you look into the spiritual world, then you see the solution. And about that I will tell you. And this is not just something esoteric. This is true spiritual science. And this is what I want to represent the first time in English to you. And try to tell you in English what big knowledge we have today. What big, huge knowledge we have to really save the world and save ourselves. But it's not a matter of saving the world, but asking, what can we do to make a better world? Because if we have a world of big crisis and wars, that is not what we have to save. We have to create a new world. And in America, there once has been a president who made that very big sentence. Don't ask what your country can do for you. Ask what you can do for your country. And so today we have to ask, don't ask what the world can do for you, but ask what you can do for the world. And if we go even deeper in the real spiritual knowledge, as you will hear that we are really embedded in a spiritual world, then we don't ask, what can my angel do for me? What can they do for us? The question today is another question, is what can I do for the spiritual world? This will be a very, very nice question, a very interesting question, because I can tell you that the spiritual world needs us also as we need them. And this will be the messages which I will give to you in a very scientific way, because there is a spiritual science, and about that I will tell you. I will show you what you can do, because you are the savior of this world. I am, we individuals, and not the other ones. This will be the message to you and to me also, and to the world, to say, okay, what can I do? Is there a chance? Yes, there is a chance. And there is a way, and there is a knowledge, and it's up to you to take it or to take it not. And not to complain about somebody else, that he should do it. No, it's up to you, up to me. We are the saviors of this world, and we can do that. So I hope you enjoy this video series, and I enjoy seeing you back again with the next video. your Axel, you can tell me. Thank you.